Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to take a screenshot on Mac. There are two ways to take a screenshot. One way is using keyboard shortcut and the other way is using screenshot toolbar. In this video, we are going to see the keyboard shortcut option. Using keyboard shortcut, we can take a screenshot of the entire screen. We can take a screenshot of the portion of the screen and we can take a screenshot of a window. To take the screenshot of the entire screen on your keyboard, you need to press Shift, Command and the number 3. So when you press Shift, Command 3, let me press Shift, Command 3. So you get the screenshot like this. Let me click this screenshot. So this is the screenshot of the entire screen. Let me close this. This will be saved in the desktop. Now let's see the second option, taking a screenshot of the portion of the screen. For that, on your keyboard, press Shift, Command and the number 4. Let me press Shift, Command and 4, and after that you get the cursor like this. You can move this cursor wherever you want to take the screenshot and select the portion of the screen to take the screenshot. Let me select this portion, and this is the screenshot of the portion I have selected. This is the screenshot. Let me close this, and after I close, it will be saved on the desktop like this. Let's move on to the third screenshot. This is the screenshot of a window. For this, you have to press Shift, Command 5 and space bar. After pressing Shift, Command 5 and space bar, you get the camera icon like this. With this camera icon, you can highlight different windows on your screen and you can click whichever window you want to take a screenshot. Let's click this window and you get the screenshot like this. So this is the screenshot and this screenshot is saved on the desktop. Let's see the window whose screenshot was taken. This was the window. That is all in this video. In this video, we learned how to take a screenshot using keyboard shortcuts on Mac. Thank you for watching this video.